Niswa. Stop over for lunch. This is the place. We usually stop over in this place whenever we go to Niswa. This is where we eat a little. Sometimes we have chicken, sometimes burger, some samosa. It's a petrol station, Shell petrol station somewhere in before you enter Niswa proper or Niswa city. Here. We arrive at the Hilton, but first things first. So, female section there, male section on the other side. So this is the Hilton toilet at the lobby. Ayan, para makita nyo. So, I need to go to the toilet. So, we're done. Off. And we're going to the lobby once again. Back. So William is there in the distance of the reception for check-in procedures. We're only here for a night as always. We are checked in. Anyang floor tayo
I
ngayon?
requested for 5th or 6th. Pero one available, so 4th.
Fourth ulit.
Tapos, garden view.
Wala naman masyadong guest. Pero trap. May dala ka na naman pang breakfast mo. Last time kasi, ang daming restaurants. Puro sarado pa sa umaga. Sabi ko, total ka. This is the... Are you coming up? No. We're going up. Ayan. Ha! Room for the night. Hello. It's a bathtub. It's a bathtub. Ano mas gusto mo sa mas dito or sa window? You want there?
Dahil marami kang alam dito. Ilalagay dyan. Diba?
Ay ko. Let's have some light. And we're glad to have a garden view this time. Ito yung sinasabi ko, ang ganda nito. I like how it looks on the outside.
Ano ng AC? Control ng AC.
Huh?
Anong control ng AC?
They didn't switch it on? Paano ba yan? Ayaw mag-on? So what happened? Will it call? Nobody's answering.
Sleeper na rin 10. Extra pillow.
Oh, sige. Pero walang sumasagot. Ang daming tao dun sa lobby eh. Ba't walang sumasagot? Yes, hello, good afternoon. Yeah, we just checked in at 4 to 6, but the AC doesn't seem to be working. And the remote, like, it's off. Yes. And can you, we also need like additional pillows and slippers. Okay, thank you so much. Water as well. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Done. Done. Haha. At least, putin lang, di mainit, kundi, Diyos ko, pagpapawisan tayo ng tada. Now, have you tried, di ba parang may cafe dyan sa baba?
Yeah.
Have you tried?
Yeah, once and twice.
Ha?
Yeah.
Okay ba? Ang cafe
Okay
nila?
naman. Not
Oh, the
bad.
price-wise?
The same with Starbucks.
Really? Starbucks level on price?
To tutorial, 1.10.
What?
Because of the machines.
Oh, siguro. O kaya yung location because it's a park. O, diba? Andito na naman po kami. Kami When we came in, there was no aircon. Now they're fixing it. They even changed the entire... What you call that? Remote?
No, this is the
AC
AC controller.
controller.
What's the temperature?
Finally, the AC is blowing. Oh, coming! Where's my sleep? For the outside. So, we're coming. Hi. We need two pillows. Okay, two slippers, and then an additional hand towel because I placed one hand towel on the lavatory so that it will not drip. So I need one more. There's two of us. Okay.
So one hand towel
Yes.
and two slipper.
Yeah, two pillows and additional water if possible.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi. Hello. Yeah, they came to give us water. Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you.
Just one hand towel.
Yeah, I need that one. I usually put this on the...
I'll give you after 5 to 10 minutes. I'll give you next one. This one.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Coffee, brother. Yes.
Yeah.
Coffee. Yeah.
We like to drink coffee a lot, so
This two.
thank you. One for me, one for me. Sometimes your pillows are too soft.
Yeah.
When we sleep, we feel like we're drowning, kind of thing.
So coffee and this.
Mamamasyal kami, may konti lang bibilhin. We're just gonna go somewhere. Mga Hilton resident. Lalo na to. Like, he comes here as
New York.
often.
In New
VIP
York.
na siya dito, VIP.
In New York.
Oo. Tapos mag-Hilton siya sa New York, mag-Hilton siya sa Manila.
Ay, yeah.
Oo, di ba? Oo.
Ba't ka lang dyan?
Eh, sabi, ground floor man yung clinic mo. Kaya akala ko dito tayo. Hey, we're in IKEA. We'll have dinner here. What do I want to eat? Gusto mo na ano? I'm getting a fruit salad. Iba naman. Last time we keep having this one. We're having masarap ang food. Minsan, you'll just have to stop yourself from ordering too much. I want this one, please.
No, just this.
A lot of dishes. My meal. Do they have dumplings?
Daddy, look, I'm eating this.
Oh, they don't have any. It's empty. No more that one. No more. I want the shrimp shamai.
Nom 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 nom.
Okay. I'm at the car park of Avenues Mall. I just finished doing some groceries. I'm waiting for William. We parted ways after having dinner at IKEA. We had back ribs steak, and I also had shamay, and I'm so full I couldn't finish my steak. I gave my leftover to William. Even until now I feel like I'm so full, like my stomach is about to explode or something. But we're going home now, going back to the hotel. Oh, home! The hotel is our home. My God. Well, we plan to go to the pool. We're gonna swim tonight. It's been a while since I swam at the pool in Hilton because sometimes timing is not right. So, I'm done with my shopping. I don't know if I still have things to buy tomorrow, but inshallah I'll be able to complete everything I set out to buy here in Muscat. And we're back. Magbihis kami. We're gonna change because we're gonna swim. Are we allowed to swim this out?
Visit na lang tayo lang. Visit na. Pero hindi na lang go. Pero kapeta.
Sige. Close this one so that we're not visible outside. Aguri ka. Okay, I'm a little underdressed. Oh, I'm gonna open the door. And with me is my cup of tea. I told you I'm underdressed because I'm going to the top floor. We're gonna check out the takes a long time to go up. Seventh floor. Oh goodness. It's asking for please. Why is it not working? So I'm in the lobby because the car doesn't work and it cannot go anywhere but the ground floor, the basement one, and the basement two. So I asked somebody to go to the reception for me because I don't want to parade there in shorts. See, I'm in shorts because I'm supposed to go to the pool for a swim. And then the card won't work to go to the 7th floor. So I'm in the lobby, but I'm hiding here. See, I'm hiding so that people will not see me underdressed like this. Giniginawa ko! It's cold to be out of the water! In the water, it's warm! Alas 11:40. Oh no, inalaw tayo.
They are the kindest eh.
Malamig kasi may hangin. So welcome. This is the view. Kaya nga. I'm on my way down. The talabat is on its way. That's gonna be my breakfast. Just going down, yes.
waiting for it to call actually. They usually call when they're coming. But so far, I think they're almost here. Okay, ground floor. I'm gonna wait for my food here. I'm gonna sit here and wait for my food because I'm tired of the buffet. I don't want to eat the buffet. I'm having that many times already and I'm quite tired of it already. So I'm gonna sit here and wait for my food to be delivered. In the lobby, I'm waiting for my food. Okay, so I already have my order. I ordered from Jollibee. So now, I'm gonna cover all this. I'm gonna carry all this to the room and have my breakfast. William is in a diet, so he brought along with him his own food to eat for breakfast. I'm having Jollibee. I'm craving for Jollibee. That's the reason why I actually came to Muscat, because for some reason I'm craving Jollibee. I've been seeing all these reels, people eating Jollibee, especially foreigners want to try out Jollibee. And from that, I got stimulated, I guess. So now I wanted Jollibee. So when William said last Wednesday that we're going to Muscat, I said yes, I'll go with you to Muscat because I want to eat Jollibee. So now I'm having a very heavy breakfast. I ordered two meals for my breakfast, as if I'm gonna be able to finish all of it. Charan! Kakautingin uli ako, dalawang order. Halika na, kain na tayo. Ay, talagang you adhere to the schedule?
May violated last night. Di ba hindi umiinit ito?
Loose siya siguro.
Wala, critical ako, pero yung laser, wala nang drinks.
Oo. Kumbaga, pasulubong na lang yung sa kanya. Ako naman, pag nagdesisyong, basta every time aalis ako ng bahay, whether with yung para sa errands or something, when I get home, I bring always pasalubong. So it can be siopaw, mga tinapay, or take out from any food chain. hindi ako uuwing empty-handed. Tapos, pag lumalabas kami, syempre, kung ano yung mga craving ko, o kaya yung mga na-discover ni Jerilyn na mga bagong restaurant sa Iloilo, doon kami pumupunta. And usually, pumupunta din kami sa mga favorite places to go nila. Yung mga places na di ko trip yung ambience, may mga places na hindi ko rin type yung food, pero karamihan naman sa Iloilo. Iloilo, mga Ilonggo are known for their love for food. Kaya maraming masarap na restaurants doon talaga. Tapos it's not pricey it's pricey compared to some other provinces. Pero compare mo sa mga Manila prices, yung mga ganun, it's okay siya. At saka you get really good tasting food dun sa Iloilo. Product ng cravings. Okay? I have peach mango pie, chicken, spaghetti, hot dog, corned beef, rice, and egg, plus the coffee, and my extra pang soda. So I just finished my morning bath. So now I'm preparing to go. It's almost 12 o'clock. We'll be checking out after 12. Finish up doing all these things, all these rituals of preparing to go. Here we have to put it up. It's summer, so it's too hot. You leave your hair down, it gets drier faster. So we'll put it in a bun, a messy bun, a very messy bun, so to speak. And then done in a ponytail. I'll do the bun later. So now we'll be fixing our face. Just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. So, add cushion foundation first. Even out the face to even out the face.
I think this is the key point is what's going to be possible within these tools without getting the markets and everybody really excited about what's going to come in here. There are some low hanging fruit points here around things like energy tariffs and lowering carbon footprint and things like that. But these are things that have been discussed.
I don't feel like wearing a what you call this, any thick makeup, so I'll just be using tints. So I have this one. I think this is owned by, can you see it? This is owned by Ann Curtis, I think. The company is owned by Ann Curtis. So I bought just one tint just to try on the product. But it's okay. I like it. And then I have this. Pixie.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's another
Just
point.
to
I think something that we need to go back on here is when we get to these points, it's remembering that these aren't Brexit discussions, even though they feel like them, even though the UK hasn't, and Brussels haven't been speaking like this since those dark days of those Brexit talks. These aren't Brexit talks, and I think the key point here is
then I have
that point, and I think especially
Careline Serum Tint for the lips. Just
around the world to run data centers that are crucial to the global AI revolution. Matt Garman is the chief executive of Amazon Web Services, and he told the BBC that whilst renewables are important,
just to give a little color to my lip. And then I also have this NYX lip oil, fat oil they call it.
we're making huge investments in renewable energy. In fact, we're the single largest
Just a little lip oil so that it won't be so dry.
around the world for each of the last 5 years.
Okay,
And I think the world is going to have
done.
to continue to build new technology. I believe nuclear is a big part of that as we look, particularly as we look 10 years out.
Okay, and then
That is going to have to be one of the solutions.
finish up with a
The world is going to
loose
need
powder or face powder.
We've just seen big blackouts in Spain and Portugal.
I'm done. That's it. I can put on, I have this Inglot.
Mission critical to so many functions that you talked about. Is renewables the answer to that, or is it nuclear? What are you doing in the US? I think it's got to be a combination of some of those things. In the intermediate term, it's renewables. Some of that is supplemented with natural gas.
That's enough for me. But I did bring a lot, so I use this. This is my extra for, it's a different tint color, but same brand, same variant, different color. I had also, I brought a blusher actually.
But I think it's going to be a combination of those, and it's a portfolio
Using this. I also have my Mac. And then I also have this eyeshadow palette. And then another one. Depend. If I want it to be a little more neutral. Okay. So those are the makeup I bought. This one is also Inglot, but the brand name already erased from here. And then this is my MAC lipstick MAC. So those are the things that I have. I bring when I travel. And then I also have this telescopic mascara. It's checkout time! And just like that, the staycation in Hilton is over! Linggo-linggo na. Linggo-linggo. Ang social naman natin. Every week na mag-staycation sa Hilton. Parang sana all. Yahoo! Nandito po tayo sa ilalim ng initan. Look at my back. So heavy actually. Kasi may pupuntahan tayo somewhere special. Guess where it is? Can you see that in the distance? Can you see that one? I'm on my way to Chowking and Jollibee. Kaya eto, after a long time, I'm gonna have Chowking and Jollibee. First, let's go to Jollibee. Hi, Jollibee. Gusto ka na, Jollibee? Matagal na tayo din nagkita. Andito uli ako. Sana i-welcome mo naman ako. Okay, I'm in Chowking. This is what Chowking looks like here in Oman, in Muscat. There's another Chowking in City Center, Muscat in Sea. This is the main one. This is the main one. So, I ordered beef barbecue Loria, lumpiang Shanghai, and Gucci. And I'm taking it out, parcel out ako. Take out siya. Okay, so I'm waiting for my order. Wait a minute. I forgot to tell them that it's gonna be parceled out.